What to do, familiar? It's your boy Taxi PNG. We're back at it again with another one, man. So today I'm coming to you guys with my 2-week update of using the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So the best thing about this, right? I mean, I'm gonna cut all the BS. I'm gonna hop right to it, bro. I love that it's so small, it's so compact, all right? I was in Publix the other day and I was utilizing this little camera right here. I turned it on, I just had it in my hand with all of my other groceries, and it was recording, but no one could even tell what this little thing was. Like the older people and like people who just aren't like really in tune with like the social media world don't know what this is. Okay, like they have no idea what this little thing is. Like you can have it like this, and you could like, you know, you could have it just like this, and you could be on your phone and you could connect the DJI Mimo app, which is also another one of my favorite parts about this thing. Is you can connect the little app to it. You'll be able to use it from your phone, right? And I'm using it from my phone while everything's in my hand, and I look like I'm just scrolling on my phone, but I'm really recording what's going on around me. I'm recording the aisle, getting the B-roll, and I don't have to, lug my big old camera like I usually do in vlogging while walking around. And I don't know why I thought I wouldn't like that necessarily, but I really do like this a lot. I like that feature of it a lot. I like the fact that I'm able to, still do vertical, as you guys can see, but also, there you go, vertical, as you guys can see, but also horizontal, like we're just at the flip of a screen. The power is like you turn it and it turns off right there. So it'll turn off just like that, this little countdown. It has automatic, tracking. You can set up to auto track you when it flips around. I love that about it. This little like lens, if you guys can see, that's on here. This is a wide lens that comes with the DJI if you get the creator combo. And the one thing that's been saving my life, bro, as I may tell you guys, bro, this little thing right here, hold on, I'm gonna put this in here so that I can hold this microphone up without having to actually hold this microphone up, so I can actually show you guys the product itself. LOL, this is crazy. Why is it working like this? It don't even like me. Okay, we're gonna just put this right here. But the one thing that I can say that I really have been liking a lot about this, where is it at? Oh, is the battery pack that it comes with. So this little battery pack, you guys, gotta turn it off. It's like so. The little battery pack that comes with it, bro, has been saving my life. Because if you take this off, it's really cool. You could hold it. Oh my gosh, yeah, bro. There's no grip. Like with this right here, and me having the size hand that I do, bro, there's no grip. Like this could fit in your pocket, cool, but there's no grip, fam. Like this, there's no grip. Like this has like a little bit of like texturized to it, but there's no real grip here. And like if I'm gripping it like this and I'm trying to use it, bro, like my fingers are on all the buttons. Like it looks so weird. Like it just doesn't work for me. Okay, so I'm so happy that I did get this grip. And then the grip, and you get that, it comes with like this little mini tripod too that even extends it even further. And this battery grip gives you extra hours of life. Like one thing I've learned definitely after using this for so long, bro, I would say is you can only record what matters. Like this little camera will not, this is not no, record all day and have hella extra batteries. It's not one of those. Okay, you need to record only what matters. Okay, because if you're recording every single thing and you're a vlogger who's vlogging every single thing, bro, you're gonna run the battery up in less than an hour, or in an hour, especially if you're doing 4K. I've noticed that like filming at 4K runs the battery almost damn near twice the speed. And also 4K 60 runs it at even more, bro. Like I was doing 4K 60 in the gym, and bro, like almost before my gym session was over, the camera's about to die, and I had to bring a battery pack. So I do recommend that you get you like a battery pack, a 50,000 milliamp mAh battery, because this will help you out a lot. So I have 2 of these currently. I'm gonna show you guys the other one. So I have 2 of these right here. And these are some really good charging solutions, you guys. If you guys can see right on there, it says the 50, right? So I have 2 of these, and these are like $34 on Amazon each, and they come out really good because they have USB-C capability on them. If you guys can see the little USB-C on there, which is very helpful because USB-C allows you to do fast charging. So if you do a USB-C to a USB-C connection, right, while charging this, if you charge the battery pack, it'll charge the actual camera gimbal as well at the same exact time. Or you could detach it, take this off, you could charge this while it's in the pouch, or you can charge this by itself, both of them splitting them up. But I usually charge the actual like whole camera with this attached to, like, you know, make it go faster, and it charges really fast when using these like fast charging, when using these little fast charging blocks. It charges very fast when using these, right? And I used another charger, but it didn't charge as fast as it could have charged. Like, I had another one over here, like these are the smaller ones. They're not necessarily fast chargers, but if you're using like a regular USB, it will not charge as fast if you're using a USB-C to a USB-C. So a cable like that would be something like this. Do I have it in one of here? Just like this? Yeah, right here. So this is a USB-C to USB-C that comes with it. So I use this little cable right here, you guys. Let's see, it's a USB-C to USB-C. And you literally just put the USB-C into here, and then the other USB-C goes into here, right? Just like so, and it will fast charge it so quick, bro. Like, you can put this in the pouch that it comes with, and you can fast charge it. That's one thing I definitely would recommend to get if you have DJI Osmo Pocket 3, or you're thinking about getting one. And especially if you're an all-day vlogger, bro, get you a portable pack, right? And then also, I've noticed about the microphone as well. It also is a USB-C charger, right? Different ports on here. You can start and stop the camera from this as well, which is also insane. Like, being able to literally press the connect button to start it from far away, and then stop it from far away without having to run to it, turn it off, run back, and turn it off. I like that a lot. I like the fact that it has a magnet. The magnet is pretty strong, but depending on the type of fabric of shirt that you have, it may not be as strong as you would like it to be. Like, through this shirt, it'll be really strong. But if I was wearing a hoodie or a sweater, it wouldn't be that strong going through that shirt. You know what I'm saying? And I've also figured out too, like myself, it has little DJI logos on here, because, for example, I have it on my shirt like this, right? I could do it like this, I could go through it like that, and you could see it. Or I could put the microphone on the inside, right here in the middle, and I could put this little DJI thing on top. Now you could tell, like, yeah, I have a mic, but it's not as visible as it was before, because I put it on the inside of my shirt, but it still has a little DJI logo, so that you can they still promote themselves, you can still see it, which is pretty fire, bro. So I've been noticing that is a really big difference from the other things that I've been using in my other vlogging situations as well. This little wind muffler thing is really cool. It comes in handy. It's very easy to take off. You don't got to do no screwing or nothing. You just push this thing on. And it actually, I love how discreet and how easy this is to use. You know what I'm saying? Another thing that I really like about this is the app. Like I was telling you guys, you're able to really like zoom in. You're able to zoom out. You can look around everywhere that you want to look. You can scroll, scale. You can turn around. You can do all of that in the app. You can change all the settings, and even you can do a lot more in the app than you can on the actual, you know, camera itself. Because with this you can do a lot, but that app is definitely like a, how would I say, needed extension. Like literally, like also, like, bro, like I was telling you about the hand method. Look at this. Like, I'm able to grip this whole piece right here while having the camera still being able to be used. Like, up top, it was like, bro, look how much extra grippage I got. You know what I'm saying? It's crazy. So that's what I really do like about that. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so being able to start and stop it from the camera, the app on your phone, being able to download this stuff immediately, bro. Like, I've made some reels. Like, I've set it up, I've made some reels really quickly. Like, I turned it vertical, boom, boom, did some reels for Instagram, and I was able to download them right to my phone, like right from the camera, like live, like download them right after it was done, threw it in a CapCut, and I was able to like upload it to Instagram, which is crazy. So I feel like that was really, really cool. Also, another thing that I picked up was some ND filters. I got some ND filters from Neewer, Neewer. They got little ND filters that they have for it. If you guys can see, these are pretty chill. So these kind of help when it's overexposed outside and you want to keep the lowest, you know, aperture as possible if you're shooting manual. Even sometimes when you're not shooting manual and you're shooting auto on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, it still works pretty fine. But manual definitely helps a lot. Manual exposure, at least, it definitely overexposes a lot. It definitely does overexpose. And yeah, but overall, I'm gonna keep updating you guys. I feel like this little 2-week update is amazing. I feel like this 2-week update is great because it was fun. Like, it's really fun to use, bro. Like, I haven't had this ease of use with the camera in a long while. Like, this is like, the ease of use in this is crazy, and I feel like it's not gonna do anything but continue to get more and more popular. Like, people are gonna continue buying it, keep going with it, because it's not super expensive, but the capabilities that it has are super expensive, if that makes sense. Like, the things that it can do very expensive things that you would think, but it's just so small of a thing. Like, and it's crazy, bro. It's like, this thing is amazing. I've been using it for all of my behind the scenes, all of my videos so far for the past 2 weeks, and I really love it, bro. Like if they come out with another version, like a Mark II or a version 4 or something, like one thing I would probably say they should be able to fix is make it 360. If this thing could spin around 360, bro, because like what happens is like when you try to like turn it, it'll like gimbal axis lock reach or gimbal axis lock reach. Like it'll tell you like, oh yeah, I can't turn anymore, the gimbal axis is locked, so it can only go 180 degrees. But if it could go 360, bro, that would kill the game. Like to be able to walk all the way around it and it could keep rotating and still see you, like that's so fire. You know what I'm saying? That would be so cool, like to keep going around and around and around, but still be connected, still be good. But I get this like something with the hardware, like being that it's so small, you probably can only like do so much, you know, it's probably limiting it or whatever. But yeah, what else can I think about? I think that's pretty much it. I just bought a case for it, to be able to, you know, have a case to house it in, to really keep it very nice and safe. Like it looks like a small miniature Pelican case. I'll link all of these things that I'm talking about down below for you guys as well. But yeah, I'm gonna keep updating you guys. Like this is a 2-week update. I'm probably gonna do a month update, like 1 month with it, and then 2 months with it, and then a week, and then after a year, is it still worth buying? Stuff like that. Just continue to, you know, comment down below and let me know what else you guys want to see, and I'll keep promoting and pushing that out for you guys. But this was Taxi PNG with the 2-week update for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Do I overall think you should buy this? Yes, I do, depending on what you're trying to do. I never recommend people to buy a camera of any type unless they're gonna go all in. Like don't buy a camera and BS yourself. Like don't buy a camera and be like, oh yeah bro, I'm gonna go all in, and then you don't. Like that's my thing, bro. If you're gonna buy a camera, bro, go all in, bro. Like you can't buy the camera and then you procrastinate and now you're like, oh I'm not, oh but I gotta do this and that. No, bro. Like a camera is super complicated to own and super complicated to have, simply because you have to shoot, you have to have an SD card, you have to take the SD card out, you have to put it into a key, you have to put it into a computer, you have to edit that footage, then you have to put it out. There's so many steps there that you're probably not ready for. So maybe a phone is easier for you to just shoot it on your phone, throw it into a software on your phone and upload it. Like maybe those steps are way less. Like, you know what I'm saying? There's a lot less stress to using a phone, you know what I'm saying? There's a lot of different things you can use for a phone as well. Like I got this little thing right here that kind of turns my phone into a camera. It goes right here. It's like a little trigger on there. This is my like tech of the week, if that makes sense. But yeah, like, you see what I'm saying? And it has a little clicker. I can take a picture from far away. Like it's really cool. It's really cool. And yeah, like it literally has little, like I can do this, boom, 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 like a camera. This is a light. This is sold separately or whatever, but this is pretty cool, man. So I think this is really fire. Boom, you see that? And now this turns into a stand for your phone, which is pretty lit, I think. So hold on, I don't know how to open it. I could open it, but my nails, there you go. Little stand that pops out. You can hold it up like this or like that. And I think that's really cool. And then this becomes this is also a portable charger too. It has 3,000 milliamps of battery for you to be able to charge your phone, and it's also a wireless portable charger, so to charge your phone wirelessly, which is even more crazy. But yeah, so that was the update for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I'm going to continue this Vlogmas series and continue posting and continue showing you guys stuff. It's very hard to continue Vlogmas. It's very hard to do because I'm also on 75 hard. So I'm doing 75 hard and Vlogmas, and I cannot let you guys or myself down. I don't care what time I post, I just have to post. Like I have to get it out. Like it has to happen at some point or time in that day, within that 24 hours. It cannot flood over to the next 24 hours. Like that's not consistency. So I'm pushing through, man. I'm about to eat right now. Stay tuned for the vlog. Stay tuned for all that stuff. If you guys like those videos, I appreciate y'all. Tap into the Instagram, taxi.png, if you haven't already. Check out all my work and you'll be like, oh my God, what does he do? What does he do for a living? Everything's over there. Go check it out. But I love you guys. Make sure you check out a photographer or videographer or a content creator that may need to see this information. Continue shooting, continue doing anything for the shot, not just in front of the lens, not just behind the lens, but in life, in everything you do. Do anything for your shot in life. Until next time, Taxi, we're out. Yeah.